Yamama kwa Badwam sada Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so yada mam boatma asese nanso ahosape no ode abraya nsade ye hwehwe no anso na ora kwase na senso abe ende na kama ede amaye de adu so no eye Afisem ne ma ahodo esisie we ye fie mu ye nwumam ene mmea ahodo mu na ya bone tofa na ye de abro na nanso de adapono so de ne esewani ensa okachire ye mfa sedama farm milk for Afisem ne omoye home delivery e de maye ehia se obetu car na be nante akọ won atenaye eno anso obefra wo mo on telephone so na wo de abro na sisi animu kama we abusia nchamfa ehyemu park ahodo enti wo fie na wo nonum bi na eboa wo emu ahoden eno achi ye wo Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa ahemfie eno ho se wo TV ope France screen si bi akese nkuma ni nyina Franco ewo bi Womo na ebo ye chidomba ye tumede Afisem tumede na bro Franco Trading de ba bia obefa bia no uhunu wonmo ewo ho nti ya bowura ho na kwaje wo phone ye siesie wo phone ana TV na open so a omo ebeye de amount ene nkomo ye ba bedi a mewo mesofopani so ewo ha no efa awarefo eho na ni nyina no egina ababa wa bia wo si so Nani so ade hunu ne botaye nyina ne se bemma obehia ne kane ana obe break ne virginity no wono ene bemma wo wa no nti ho ano wo bo ho mpaye nso abayo America na so emi so sofopani pa kese asori akese bi e wo man Ghana mu emu ba ko ne ba yo ba ko pe ene no na areko se minua ba na ni so ade hunu ne da ye so no amamu yie pepepe wo ko sa mfa ma no fi se die Bema no ba na brabo mo kane no enye bema wote no ho ase se o maba be propose a che o manager ho timpesa me no etena nemo bema no repeat no enti sa ne ni study hunu se de obe breaking the first ene ne da achi kunu no eno anya djuma na asam ne yanim guase a kire se de wo ye sa de no enso no na wohwemu a ono so ewo animo kakra ewo asori ni munti no yesiesie bibia wa asori ho sebe ye nimguase enka sofopani ene asori panimu no wo mu so banti no yesiesie ni nyina kama wo ho nyame adom oba no onya be ma foforo e ma obese no pe nanso na adwene nyina ne se wono de waka ne se be ma obebreak ne first ono ane be wa no enti ewo mu se abusuafo kan ye ma bibia si de Nanso kwaye fa so breaki no ene ha adwene nti nanso ni nyina mu no wo fa ho ne be ma no repi ne no etwetwe mpana esa di mu ansa no onya akunu e wareye onya akunu wareye we mi trinity amount na se adwene na still da so woni tirim se de breaki ne de ono a nti wo ware nyina akire no na wasa ne rapist no allegedly so called rapist no oda so ene ne wo ho Yade ya be ya covid ya na didi mu nti ama be ma we edu ache na wo ka nanimu asem a wafre oba ne kunu no e pa na chew se yade na bi aye no ono so wo yade nti se de ete ne de be bi oda ne mu odin ti opese wo sere ne ho ba no fa che se wo ne yire ne de e wo bibiye ti se abe hange ho be ma no ahye no a wodwene ho a wonte ase be ma na waware sisi ya no wakọ ne yire no ho ne yire na confirm sampa bibi sa akoso no fan chano biso ohunu de ba no so sa na adwene na ne daso woni tirimu a na oguso ne be man ewo ho nti won fan chano be ma de say den so ode be chano e den pa mi wa be ma ya ono e den ma no so ode be chano emre bi etwa won so twa fa mo ma oba ne che no ode che no kra nti ya ne den what want to me fan cha wo ya wo try bi aba emfa. And at the end of the day, baby or one ne papa, ne yere na ase. Asori no so ama, waji din wo kona nim. Tie de nim guase ne beba. Confusion, say. Aseti in. Ontimi nyan. Asem we na sofo ahome suwe. Emu odu, sem ne do so, sam ko we ni say, ne enwie ne nempo. You better try no china ya to aso. But try the MC as you divorce no.
Of course, yes.
But another you share asam no angasa in general.
Okay.
Papa no pay me mu achen.
Ye nuaba.
E ma akwa abanso.
Me je ozo.
E da se ada na no da be Juada na ehia
last week
last week mu.
Last week
Because Juada de enu achi.
Endo achi ade there be last week.
Oh my yet tight na se pa.
Yeah, e nyame.
Ya bom pa ya se e bedi no krama no.
Amen.
E da se. Amen. Yen you be me, why confused? Oba no so confirm. Ampa why bibi etesa. O yo so for penny. Asem bi say ba wani mu a. Say ne yemfa no. Ana wo wote asem no. Uhunu ne say.
Mini aba mesere de edi kan ye chia etiefo ahwefo ne adofo.
Odi mpo facha me. Pastor Donko.
DY Donko.
DY Donko. Aha, facha.
DY Donko. Oh no be okay.
O do be okay ba ya hwefo no. E bia na nanu dey ko obi hwe ye ntina.
Okay.
Pastor DY Donko e na no pay. Waba woni ye e ba bedi nkomo afa sansem we ehu. Papa nje o. All
right. De edi kan is me hwe ensam a wo kan ye ni mu a.
Edoso ma bodo kafa.
Edoso pa da yemfi asem firi baabi. Na yemfa bewie wo baabi ensam na wo kan ni nyina wo kan na bichichim na de edi kan ye wo ba na ni so de hunu ho ne di kan se me sha me ho so na make keep me virginity na emiripam se be ma wo ne be beda no ana be ma me ni benya mpaso kitahudie no edi kan no wo no ne obema me wade no na chesen ke ye ni so de hunu pa na the edi kan be pese the washam ye the otieti ase ni say enye relationship bia and I ending in marriage.
Okay.
You should understand this. Now can you kwan say yes sir say relationship bia should not enter into marriage or shouldn't end up in marriage. Now was saying ka me nu nya adamfofa se ye be wade na ye tie ye ho asesa mpa ye pese ye dante a I was saying ke tumi ware. But number one, there are challenges in life. Because sometimes Obo say me do wo so do me na so ebi esu any ban bi enyem wa maye mienu se e wo say ye wade e ba sa de a na wo se ye jai na ho e na me be kanya sakasa bi akase en ye sa na ti de ade enim se enya na mo bi a oba ne be betu wo empranche yemu and de dudu awade mu dia en na me ka se e ya wo free relationship asia. I'm saying this not because I'm a pastor. I'm saying this so that people will learn. And you know me remwa. Me pray me hun sex. Me pray me hun ja me hun ma.
A relationship mo no.
Yes.
So court here.
Yes.
So we share obi na person mo adwene say that mo be ware.
Thank you.
Memma empamu agro no ma.
Mansa. Now me person make away by quoting scriptures. You don't need it. The truth is that in courtship is not meant for sex. I don't want to talk about dating. Courtship is not meant for sex. Courtship is a place where we prepare for marriage. Hey, baby, yes, ye ho ye adwene pise. Ye pese ya warinti. Ye fan do me bi ntutu yi. Ne ye nwade. Etika courtship wo no, usuma nye, one ye nye, bibi nye, yes ye ho ho. Na efiri ho a, ya kwa awade am di. Enya awade mu na ye be ye suba ho adwuma. Ya yodeda. Nanso, ye mre say ye date a na akoye se beda me nchai besimi nioma be ye aduane ma me
one ye dey study ahwe
one ye dey study ahwe but it's wrong entini ye san ka be si achi se sisi ye di so de hunu wo the virginity ni se the one me beda first no ono na me wade no na ambem sa because or start ye no obi ni nada enti ye be sere se ye nuama ma e ya wura relationship ba don't rush for sex. Sex is not the first thing you need to do or to start with in a relationship. The first thing you need to start with is trust, no sex. Okay, I know you one. The virginity was number two. What we say, you're breaking the virginity, no? The papa is so penny. Crash it so as a for a woman. Odimu. You better say or your prayer tower, or your usher, or your drama, no? And sabi or no, your soft protocol, or your odimu. And I just say, I saw in the Quran. Another problem I have with our churches and some of our churches, any young asofoni be born kataso. See, this generation, ya kata boniso do. This generation, we are hypocrite Christians. This generation, we are actors and actresses. The reason is that ababa wani ye virgin, wabeka kire na eja wo yeso se me call kwara me ho no anko yi wone mada wa rape me abrantie no so with the same church he must be disciplined.
Say a bonus thing.
Thank you. Number 2, so was here the fa emra kwan so a was here the fa so eti sa nyamesom eti what the body ayanka wani
and I said him gwase be kan so.
Thank you. See the problem we have and am yes of penny eti dey ya na kase so penny what example are you setting and no obi suba onche be bo amane yes of penny say me ya repu be ba wa ka kire say yenso yenkata so ba me yes sure say wonya atwumti so penny be ka say wa repu ba report ba ya repu ba ide ya kata so
so Mintuanwa, even in some cases, we say it's because
a lot of churches have. Oh, come on. El Dabanyim, Yakataso. They came back on your ma, Yakataso. So for Peniba, Ekoria Bofre, Yakataso. So for Peniba, Kochatro, Yakataso. Church member, Kobo Jomai, Yachina sign. So there is too much hypocrisy in the church. Eti, San Katasuano, Katasono. And only the end results of guy no repeat no it be the girl this start to chimpana imagine say omo punish no and I yakin thank you yakin na so kem papa mu e bai eti yakata body so na wie ye ne say ye twa so aba eti ni e ka kira safo ne say wo ye sofo pani wo da safo ano na obi ya boni a let's try and discipline them see as ye discipline omo so a ye no wo nkasa we should do the right thing but the kataso na ye nguase now so pani no o hwe the position o hwe the dibia any baby a onyame di na du when did you do onyame now buy ade na nya o se yanka because you are selfish because you are greed wo wo hwe wo ye bia wo te bia now and so it happens in the church so then number 3 ababa awano started her new relationship with lies. And try what try and say, ya break your virginity. Ushi abema fufro no wabona mane ya break you, you repeat me. Na so saa time one na chimpana date no, na de o break in no, egusu wo ho. E wo na adwene mu. Now cheating.
Say no na adwene say de o break in ne de ono a ne
ba. Ono be ware no.
It is so when you obedient so adwene da so.
And cheating.
So we dey anya the fault.
And the fault. Cheating does not start with sexual intercourse. Cheating starts with the mind. Obibia we cheating the beer knows that when you want to cheat, you start with your mind. Minya amene de beda. Minya ya amene be nyam paso agorudie. Minya ya eti oba we cheat afa ni kuachi. Ana bema we cheat afa ni yirechi. When cheating by just having sex, they started from the mind. From the mind you start with text message. From text message you start dating, you meet. When you meet, you start you start courtship with the person you want to cheat with. So, a process. It's a process in the fias, you know. Sister named Chasso. What am I saying?
Was no case here. Said you were named not joining in and say,
the over breaking me. On one, I'm a warrior. I
said, oh, Sadia, Usu General, and on a Bemuma won't say, still a general. I stick to.
Oh, kind of. Yeah, can baby. Actually, sir. Hey lady no krano o fiase say o date guy no o mo di siesie
oh o ma sia na say
hey you break the virginity no
yare na ache no wa ba
adu o mo di siesie ya o ma me nim o papa anim obi anim
so no David
and na won sunya kasa aba say if you are dating somebody and the person cannot be proud to introduce you to your parents watch out walk out I don't think I would me date now this year. Den na wo yenti a wodi sie
na woni mentwo no asam no e ka de besi se abusuafo no mpene because rape ni be mu no because omo mpene nanso na adwene mu after study guy wo hu se still odo no e wo ho rape ne de wanya de but odo no wo ho because abusuafo no mpene amo akonya obi foforo nanso ne do no wo ni rapist no ho
na e de kra obi rape na san do no e ya adwene ne wo di trim no na uwie subu saye underground job because parents no empese onu rapist anu na make say o twimpena sia wo bere tin obi to me no obi date 5 years 6 years oni be ma na busua o se de oni ma ya ne ante a ote dworu
na no kura hu
thank you asem ba nipa na eka enye nyame na beka na nipa eka isu na ye di bone a ye di sie omi eti eba sadia na wo ba akro na wo chimpana no ubuo esote be ma no kra will take advantage over you because when we say wo ye wo ba wo so yokuhwi ni te so ono a ba cho what ma say eti na de ye kan say woni wo bi e date a mema ye nchimpra fa siesie mema ye nchimpra na ada ye ho mema ye nchimpra enye ye ho te say bi di sie na chire me chire ni pa say me de wo chimpra ba cho de make us what ma say so that is a problem there eti na ba we say and plan na one more chain, one more this yes and say pampe. No, if you love somebody, be proud of it. If you love somebody, let the world know that I love the person. If you love somebody, be proud of him or her. So that is it.
I someone come on anu papa na so say tie bia no ye beka na fa ye hunu nia ekro na ye kasa ya na counselor Lutrot aba beka ye ho minim. As I say, lateness na too much. Dear mammy, on my side. Memo akwaba.
His name is Amasha.
O say, Kafra. Nancy, Bibia Bako. Metonka. Bibia okay.
Bibia de Dima.
And Yanko say, me assure say, Yankoma ye de. What's a woman and Popoyaka?
Calamity,
Yamifa.
Jinami take a crabia or boss, so I see ye as a messy crew.
Aha. Then, who as some say, Minia Barney. Nipru asemu
de di kan me fa chia kese nko ma ahwefo nyina na me nka se me kwa akoka ni kunu na se nyi pa kan nyama mienu bi a me ne nya adwen adwen kire de ba me ne nya adwen because twi kasa no what is here say on pra ni obi a ye cha pra on ka ho enti mpra ye yesie obi a ode obi twem pra on ne kire wo badwam no ombu nipa na on ne kire no ze nyame ntibati we na me no twem pra na me timi ben kan se me mpra ni amimbu no the idea you fire the chile air what the so and in the traditional law is not accepted. In the legal tenant is not accepted. Even in the courts of spirituality is not accepted. And he say obi twin prano this year nipa ne nya bone. Ehun sunsuanso wo ade bia yesie no wonim ne hun sunsuanso di na yesie no. So that's here. Eti me ya de na medum kania menim de cha medum kania no. Enye de ono ehwe me se medum kania na ade enti ho na me se na me nipa ho de me nkoyi man ba me ba sem no so no se obia every rape victim enjoys the act. Every rape victim obia
okay. Ya be rape na nya na adwen ya sha no ene ye ne nada
every rape victim enjoys the act before the conclusion. You just check the research. Yes, it's there. Because every rape victim at a point in time, or who be say, I want to end the thing. And by the point in time, the nerves gives in to the act. No, you give in to the act because without it, you unya normal penetration. So the research has proven said no matter what happens, regardless of the act is enjoyed. That is why we have cases where people have been sexually molested, raped, but the act is associated to orgasm. And so they expect such actions before they can enjoy consensual sexual intercourse because almost system no are building up with a non-consensual system. Etigana the kind obia rapino. In the first place, as a busiano report, Oma report.
And they are sorry.
Sorry, rape, any sorry case. Bible cram I say in the book of Exodus says, Obi rape Obi shall be no in the dan no yamna, yamani wareno. That's what in the time of the Exodus, the Old Testament, eternity. And so be a rape Obi a foul back through illegal means. I would him say you are breaking a law in the country. You need to let the bull be held by the horn. So say also for say enemy D. No, I mean, and they are wrong. So once I kata asumu amu aso ne dia. Hono and na uma abanu who say yet me kata dia so emu amu aso because from the tree who is the head, no, you brought it down for me to know. Say no, cheating is part of marriage. Hey. I don't know when it became a news.
How?
Cheating is if you are not married, can you cheat?
Both
if you are not married, can you cheat? Cheating
is part of marriage.
Yes, so if you marry, one of the packages that is an expectance is cheating and divorce. Onwale ya, untimi fa okurechi. Obi onwale info obi echi. Ento wale ana fa echi. Enti ade a e kan wade ho esia. What does it? This obi a nyame ni party we na so hye kosofo kala. Any news. No sha comfort ade na hey then aba. So when I see a man of God in clerical, it's normal.
No, correct.
Do you understand? So what are you creating? There's no news, but be a 71. Cobra.
All right. Cancel a no
I don't know where you were.
So, Councillor from the tree or Chirami. All right. Okay, so let's come back. Councillor can be said, oh, Chimpana, I was so DC. Now, you were dating and then we have courtship. Dating is a moment where I meet you, if I'm interested, and then I invite you out, we want to find out, meet me, we show you mine. Now, when you get to courtship, it's a serious ground. Courtship is a place where I have the right mind. I have decided that I genuinely want to settle. Now, courtship is a place where I can tell you, young woman, now I am dating you, or I am in courtship, now, so a new courtship. Now me this year, now me that, me know what, come on, can I work with you 7 years, 5 years, 3 years, and I have still decided that all these years, and me do ya me know 119 in a me ma will be a me this year. Then number one is a sign that you are not responsible. You are never responsible because some no nante that will be a new some no namwa. I do what I want to do. It is a minimum. Now you see a bed what you be to an abampa. And you be a say no mammy and your papa crying who back and you be a there should be somebody around. Thank you. Sabi bibi to missy. Sabi, every hour me fear BBS. Who is responsible? We don't. Now me wonder with them. There be number one. Okay. Then number two, I was talking about the virgin lady. Rape. Councillor Kabibi said, Obia you rape in Biano.
I enjoy the art.
I enjoy the art. Rape is painful. Rape is, now he was trying to say that you're makwine now only that because you are makwine a sexual penetration. But you see, maybe two so now me person will rape you. Now me person me you have no choice. Out of intimidation and fear and panic, you leave me for me to do whatever. So the fact say many wonder and the friend rape. It means that I did it without my consent.
But there's excitement in it.
Excitement,
baby. It's the research. It's the proving research. Say at the point in your life, you turn up to enjoy it.
I enjoy.
Baby, Councillor, then I enjoy. Because yes,
that is why they end up associating an abuse to excitement.
So then, what is rape?
That's what I'm saying.
Rape is something you did to me.
It's unconcerned sexual intercourse.
Thank you. So what is it?
No, it's unconcerned sexual intercourse. So the request was unconcerned. The act became
I didn't allow you to do it.
No. You see this. Let me explain to you how rape is done.
I didn't even finish anyway.
Anytime the act begins, you are not ready for it. But during the act, you consent because
no,
I'm telling you, I deal with rapists, and I'm telling you,
you are dealing with them. But
so I'm telling you,
if you tell us,
every rape victim enjoys.
Councillor,
yeah, can be sure say rapists be. So comfortable with what?
No, you're using the word comfortable.
Councillor,
because you are not.
So what should
the fact
that this
is the mindset. The mindset is that until there. That is where we get to in rape. I'll send you a material to study.
The fact that
yes,
an expert has written something doesn't make it true.
No, this is not an expert writing.
The fact that you have your ideology about it.
No, this is a research from the individuals.
A research from who?
Research and no, talk to any rapist.
No.
I'm giving you opportunity.
It is only the men who did the rape that enjoyed.
No.
And then now they call court after who they call police station.
Court now they call court because at the end of the day, there's a law set that sex must be consensual. So under the act, once you take somebody and you're consensual, anything they don't call court. But there have been a lot of rape victims who have gone through the act, but like Omukano, Meme say, at the end thereof, they're having sexual relations with people who rape them. I'm telling you. I am telling you on authority.
But
that people
don't say
have been
that
raped.
anybody who has been raped
I'm
enjoys
telling you that
don't do that.
in
No, it's
every
wrong.
act of
Counselor,
raping,
no,
there is
totally wrong.
an enjoyment.
Counselor.
Totally
wrong. Give you enjoyment.
What enjoy later on. But
I'm telling you
we
that.
did enjoy, but the woman who is in place never
You
enjoyed
will
it.
not understand it until you have a relationship with a rapist.
because
A one-time rape person.
Wrong.
Anybody are raping it down.
No.
When it starts sexual act, it leads the person to that molestation.
Okay.
And they associate the gravity of what they want.
Counselor.
I say every
No.
rape victim enjoys.
And so
Okay.
the
It is 10 years apart.
Yama back.
Yama.
So can be bio. Oba so we ni nasam. Me do cancel man me person refi. Corona ntia na.
na so no so ni rain.
Tell me some of
I
me.
don't know what can tell you.
Dabi, that's not so
Ti ma mi tie odi.
Ni dia so for say courtship. Courtship is a registered relationship. It's called court.
So meaning that I know you know me. You understand what I'm saying?
Courtship enyem prache.
No.
And the word courtship is where it's emanated from. Abrofo nu kurom no. Omo ne de yen friend traditional marriage. O just say. It's omo de say once we go and register in court, that is what it's called courtship. So young Ghana had yen courtship.
Dear friend, branching.
I am branching.
Okay, and branching. Let me know one and take 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And nobody knows me. What shows I am a responsible man?
Oba udebedwem obi ani je wo no. What a bema be 3 years, 2 years, a year before that's will be ampel. O just say, as I did no boy, you'll be ampel. You want to infant 3 years, 2 years. If you date one guy for more than 14 days in a year, you have a brain damage as a woman. Why are you doing 4 years, 5 years? Are you normal? That is why premarital counseling is important. And we have preparation before you go. Son of kind, you prepare yourself to hunt. So you are going to hunt. Who say me pokuo? Upon boy Michelle. Who say me pokuo? Kroma ko akokuna be yen kwai. And who see kroma? You
prepare yourself.
So you are supposed to be counseled before you go and you will not even go to Imprachi out and no be no be. Na me problem fear no be we send the other go prison. Na me kunu. Like who are we them say, "Oh yeah, this year dwen ehun sunsun so na ntro buo." Obaka jo pa say, "We na me na twem pra." Da, we na me umbuade.
Enti papa.
I cannot prepare myself, meba. I cannot prepare myself. Menya misika, nyame ado menya me dan, mabɔ me bra kaka. I cannot say me person me wade. Na me get prepare. Me prepare me wona me hia wa. We start from there. That is courtship. Yemienu, ye twempena. Ebra na ye twa ye de kɔbɔbɔ. Ye de wade.
Ye twa jai.
Ye twa jai say.
Ye de nkrofo twempre ja ho.
I've already said it.
Enti na me kasa. De ye de kire ya wade enye mprache.
Oh,
mprache ye de te.
Yeah, because I
wouldn't guess I
don't respect me. I didn't know this year.
Me not you are one the 2 bedroom man. And just a umbu and they said the tia Ghana here and my boyfriend just bought me a car. Jimmy for what a good crow. And I this year. And you before Jimmy for the good crow. Your channel they know about chair. And my boyfriend just gave me this. Once you advertise a boyfriend, you have a brain damage.
No.
If you advertise a boyfriend when in beauty, appreciating a boyfriend. Are you serious? We appreciate husbands and wives, and yet boyfriends and girlfriends.
No.
What are you talking about? Why you say?
My baby too. Now you're being TV so I now.
Social media.
No. So we have to tell them it is wrong.
No, so I'm saying that it's a form of
adverts. There's social. No.
Even when I tell
social media is another level. Let's talk about
it's the same thing.
No, wrong.
It's the same thing.
No, it's wrong.
It must not be advertised. That's my stand. It must not be advertised. It's the same thing.
Now the person be what the one. Why am I be home?
Thank you.
Now before I go to the family, sometimes and most of the time, I need to go introduce you. Every bibi my father, my mother needs to tell me. Every ana also oba no, o papa, o mama, e we futu obi.
Because some do abrobo no me di kind of that.
But they don't tell you when I come.
Family background. Ma papa ni e kasa. No we are
let me pate we kafra pa we miss ko ti dem kan say. Say o se oni mi ko fie ma papa ka bi a kire so papa nga so nya badwemba. Because me baba no de mi hia wo fie ma ka kire that nti o fa de mi pa igbeni awale. E ti fa igbeni baba mi nya interview bi say.
Ye ba igbeni di.
Say we ma try. How am I asem so?
O papa me so kan asem. twa ma fa pran ba fi
ma no wie
na se ja nya japa
da bi na se eja ntiri ko pe ekunu ema ne ba
ma kire ma ni no fi ha mi chinkranfo wo fi ha wo fa bi ba fi ha
bi bu mi ma wo ma bere wo ho ana ma kire mo se mi mpa igbeni ana infantini eno nda ho de onya no ya chimni na so de ba fi
yes
na ye hwe di su ne ba ye ne de kasa tu ni fo so me be adwo ide ni ye no wakasa ye no kasa then you know now we also know that ye ba no she is in the hands of so and so that one cry sabe me fra me ba no phone na nkwa bitumi fresh oh kwadwo say me tell me ba adwo anka che no what ne nka
it makes you
oh please
I just want to understand
it makes the man become responsible.
I talking about husband and boyfriend
no the Abba said, me no nantia. At least somebody who is responsible around us should be able to know. Now, if I keep hiding you, that it means that I have a different perception. Me no chimpra. Now me cause you the wisia. Me can social media they know here 7 class for the SR. Said me no chimpra. Hello my baby crowd doesn't work well. And when we started I said, and young planting bia and
a lady to marry.
So then you must understand that if I have the right mind, I get in here. Subanye me wa dwene power ho na me wa de one pa because you me ho kire. That is the first thing you do. Enti enye say bitowa besia ya twempena 2-3 years. Ye ko no ma pega me nsa ne bisia. Ye kofi akobare. We need to go introduce ourselves. What I say. Enti seconds like I said, you don't need all these things. Ye no wakasa de da. Ansan. Wo be twempena is wrong. Ye do wakasa, ya tetew, ya tufu, wako school, when you be nanso so. Unya I was so the coffee quachre.
Yamra no who send come we messing yam watch na ye beto so. Ya besa atena ne ato because afi ne ekowura makọ divorce mu ho no so na ya hye de no so ka de afa unti say counselor wuti we say oba adu ne mpani fie so na opeso warrior. Sa wanfa obi a mafie na ote wono mu akọkọ awarefo abusuafo obi na abesi ufie ye ba ware obaba. How would you feel?
De kan de tia ye ekopo oba ye bokọkọ no. De tia ye soma ye aunties I mean chinamba ekope coronavirus edu aunties no ekoko bisa efie a memene wo etwe mpana na enya me na me ba papa ho no awo ba no
te se ne sewa
ensani sika na ye de ba ye de nsani sika no kokonkwan du ase de ko ye nhwehwemu wo bema na opeso ware na echi enti na de nsani sika ko no nchira wade enti yankase ye wo kwan ye fa so a ye de ye nhwehwemu enya dia wo ba na eka I said, to me, my share cases where the girls have made the boys feel like they are the type that their father wants. Until investigation, I say, and yes, I met it. And maybe say, when you womu pa, no couldn't say, pa. When I person why now? Uni obi chimpa no wa. Amamre mu nyo kuna.
And okra.
Enti wani ye fampa enche.
Ya me ya dom na de fa bi chin ya. Papa ye be hia. Counselor o chenyambo a. Yan share for no boss or china. You better sound come away near Roma for divorce, no. Sir, our rear yenia Bemana Asamono, our rear no also Jayana, Christosumunti, ma, our rear no yenya, and as I say, ain't he a better sound come mono, and Nedia Hannah Brema coin, Namedia see a media fear among quarter Maclomeda, Sophopenny, AY, DY, Donko, and a counselor, Lutraton, so I say, Papa, wow, where Yanson Yamisha, make no mind. Kwabna asante edim pensem to us okay before my baba no your interview kitwa bi ebe ye kwaba sisi ane ato so